Welcome to Google Docs. This is a way to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in an online format. We access them from our Gmail. In the top left, we can click on Docs. This will take us to the Documents area. All of my documents are listed in the center, chronologically, starting with the most recent. Over to the left, I have a folder area where I can create folders to organize the documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. For each class that I take, I've created a folder and stored the relevant documents inside the folder. Some items I prefer not to keep in folders. I'll select a document. As you can see, it looks just like a Microsoft Word document. You can insert images, links, comments, tables, bookmarks, and special characters in the same manner that one would use Microsoft Word. Google Docs keeps a history of every change that I've made in a revisions category. I save and close this document. Now I'm going to show you a spreadsheet that looks just like an Excel spreadsheet. You will notice the familiar columns and rows and headers. I can sort information in the same way that I would use Microsoft Excel. I can also input formulas in the same way that I would use Microsoft Excel. A revision history is also kept. Next, we will look at Google Presentations. This looks very much like Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see my slides on the left, as well as the master slide in the center. I can select different slides in the same way that I would use Microsoft PowerPoint. Presently, Microsoft PowerPoint can't be uploaded into Docs in the same way that Microsoft Word and Excel documents can. Right now, I'm going into Slideshow view. I'm exiting the presentation. Next, I'm going to show you how to upload an existing document that I created in Microsoft Word. Here's the Word document that I've created and saved on my machine. I close that. Now in Docs, I hit Upload, and I browse my machine to find the document. It's on my desktop. I find it and click Open. And now if I don't want to rename it, I click Upload File. Google Docs creates the file, and now I can save it and file it appropriately in my Docs. This Microsoft Word document that started on my machine now lives online. I select the document by putting a check mark in the box to the left, and I'm going to add it to a folder. In this case, the class called Critical Thinking. A message in yellow will appear up top saying that the document has been moved to the folder. Now when I select the critical thinking folder, I can see that the document is there. I select it just to make sure. And there it is. Documents can be searched in the same way that I search through my Gmail or the web using Google search functionality. In this case, I'm going to type the word equity and then select Search Docs. Any document that has the word equity in it will be displayed. All of those documents, therefore, contain the word equity. I select a document. If I hit Control F, which will ask Google Docs to find a term, I type in the word equity, and I hit the Next button. Any instance of equity will be highlighted in green. When I hit Next, Google Docs will find the next reference to the word. This is a very powerful tool for searching and organizing information. I select another document. Equity is still in the Find area. Hitting Next, every instance of the word equity is displayed in this document. A very powerful tool is the ability to create collaborative documents with another person. I select a new document, and I'm going to call it Collaborative Document. I select Share over on the right, and I invite people to collaborate. I'm going to invite the other scooter as a collaborator. In the advanced permissions, I'm going to ask that the collaborators not be able to invite others. There's the other scooter. I select Invite Collaborators. I'm going to type a message which is going to be sent to the other scooter in an email detailing what my intention is. So I'm going to ask the other scooter to write the introduction. Then I would write the second paragraph. This is a very powerful way to create collaborative documents and presentations with other people in educational or business settings. I send the invitation, and it'll appear in Scooter's mailbox. The other scooter is now going to log into his Gmail, where he will find the message being invited to collaborate on that document. There it is in the unread messages. There he will read the message that the original scooter sent, asking him to collaborate. He will reply, sure, he'd love to collaborate. He now goes and clicks the hyperlink to access the web-based shared document, where he will write the introduction. He now saves and closes the document. Notice in the display under the folders and sharing in the center that the document is listed as being created by Scooter and the other Scooter. And there's also a shared documents pane in the lower left. The original Scooter is now going to access his Gmail. He sees a reply from the other Scooter that he would like to collaborate on the document. Therefore, he goes into the documents to check on the status. There's the collaborative document, and it shows that both Scooters are sharing the document. Opening it up, he will find the other Scooter's introduction. Checking on the revision history will show when each person has been working on the document. The most recent revision shows that the other Scooter has worked on the document and shows the changes that were made. Now it is the original Scooter's turn to add the second paragraph. Documents can instantly be published as web pages. Here's the collaborative document that both Scooters are working on. By selecting Publish in the top right, I get a number of options. I'm going to select Automatically Republish when changes are made. I now get confirmation that the document has been published on the web, and the blue hyperlink shows the web address. When I click on it, if I'm still signed into Gmail, I'll get the same screen appearance that I get whenever I'm editing a document. However, I'm going to copy the web address and sign out of Gmail so that you can see what the document will look like to anybody else who just goes online. I'm going to copy the web address into my internet browser. And this is what the document looks like online.